I know I've been talking a lot about roses, but I think I want to also talk about the companion plant that I grow in my garden, like around my roses and all, just to make it up when they are not blooming. So this is the one that I come across this year that I absolutely love. It's a perennial actually. So this is a Puxter butterfly bush, and I plant these babies right between my Arctic blue and also my Poseidon. So you can see both of them, they are not blooming right now. Like my Arctic blue is actually doing some sort of budding for the second flush, I guess. So before it bloom, it will be all bare. And this one just finished the second flush. I just had it yesterday. But let's just look at this color. It's so amazing. And I have other butterfly bush as well, but just this so fat and chunky. And it doesn't grow so big like the other butterfly bush. It's very it actually smells very good as well. So I actually, like you can see, I still have many bugs that is coming up, and of course, you know, this is a really good one for the pollinator. As you can tell, this is a butterfly bush, so butterfly love it. They are crazy over it, and I really love how beautiful the leaves are. It has this I would say a blue tone to it, and it's just so healthy. Like I do not see anything not healthy about this plant at all. And I have, so this one is at the partial shade area. So another amazing thing about this plant is it actually grow really well whether you put it at a sunny location. Like this is a partial shade, but I have one that actually at the shade, like fully shaded area, which is this right here. This one is in between the Poseidon and the Celestial Night, which is also just finished the flush. So you can see it doesn't really stop it from blooming. It still bloom really well, and it really hardly ever get any sun at all because it was blocking by these two roses. And of course it's under my huge magnolia tree. As you can see, it's huge. So it probably gets some, like maybe really just a few hours of morning sun, but most of the time it was blocked by this Poseidon. But look, it's still looking good and it's still growing really good. So I don't know, I really love this. Now I have another variety of butterfly bush. This is also a butterfly bush, and you can see this one, if you want to grow like in between the roses, it will not be a good candidate because it's huge. Okay, I mean it's beautiful because of it gives you the big white color bloom as well, and actually it bloom it's kind of like a evergreen. I would say it's kind of like evergreen plant because it actually remain green for me even for the winter time. So I really like it a lot, and it's doing well in the shade, under the shade. So if you have a shady area, you can definitely consider a butterfly bush. And the thing is, it bloom all the time. You do not, it smell very good. I mean, I have a friend that do not really like a butterfly bush smell, but I love it. And you can see it have very long cane, so it's actually really good for arrangement as well. You can use it for arrangement. Just look at that, how beautiful it is, right? It will look really good with roses as an arrangement, I would think. And the more you cut, actually, the more it will bloom. And it doesn't require special care at all. I just water it like how I water my rose, and fertilize it like how I fertilize my roses. So there you have it. This is my really my new favorite companion plant. It's called the butterfly bush. Hope you like it.